Hey there, baddies. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I am a cash stuffer, an all cash budgeter. I use a zero-based budgeting method. Most of the things you see in my videos, with the exception of this wallet, I do sell. They're available at my site, baddiesandbudgets.com. I also come equipped with a handy can of Lysol because as of late, we have a fly who loves to be in here with us. And so that's it, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started with this cash stuffing for today. Okay, so how has y'all's week been? Today here where I'm from, it was the kids' first day of school. If you have a child in K through 12, my niece actually doesn't start college for another week and a half, so it was a regular day for us. Leave a y'all can't even talk. Leave a comment down below letting me know what grade your kid is going to this year. So today we'll be stuffing our normal $1,100. I wrote out the bills that I have auto drafted out of my account, so I'll just be moving my bill money over to pay those bills. And for those of you who wonder, I keep my bills inside of this Filofax. If they're larger bills and I just stuff them and pay them as I can, I prefer not to do that here on YouTube, just for safety reasons. I don't know. Oh, here goes this damn fly. Okay. All right, so first let's get with our cash envelope. So these are variable expenses. These envelopes are used throughout the week. This is cash that I plan to use. But because I work from home and it's been so crazy, I've had so many orders, I didn't use any gas money. So we have 20 bucks left in gas. In our shopping, we have $5 left. I think that's what I gave myself to. I just haven't had time to do anything. Eating out, we have used that because we've ordered in a few times, because after I've been done working, I just haven't felt like cooking. And we have a little bit of grocery money left here. So we'll be setting this money to the side, and I'll show you what I do with it at the end of the video. Let me see. Yeah, there's nothing in laundry. And if you have questions, I know this is a new wallet to some of you all. I will be doing an unboxing. I filmed it. I'm going to try to get that edited and uploaded this week for those who have questions about the wallet. So again, we're setting this cash to the side and we'll work with it at the end of the video. All right, up next, we are going to work on our sinking funds. Let me get them where you can see them. Alrighty, so up first we have our black binder, and this is our quilted binder. It's Chanel inspired, and it comes with either a blue or pink interior. If you're interested, I think I have like 2 left of each on the site. So for savings, we're going to be adding $110. Okay, and savings is, again, I try to reiterate always how important it is. I pay myself first. Savings is the first thing I budget for, no matter what. So 1,000, 2,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 9, 20, 9, 22, 9, 23. So $2,923 in our savings. And I won't be updating my trackers in this video. I will do it after. Next up is retirement. To retirement, we will be adding in our $125 normally. And so again, this money just doesn't sit here. I auto draft over $125 every week to my Fidelity account, and I invest it into different stocks and stuff, so that the money is gaining the compound interest. 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 45. So $1,845 in retirement. And so once this money reaches 1,000, I put in a 1K slip and put this back in the savings that I took the $125 out of, so that the money evens out. Sorry if I'm stuttering, y'all. I do have ADHD, and it's one of those days, and if you know, you know, okay? So to debt, I'll be adding $60. So I'm gonna grab a 50 and a 10. So in debt, we now have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 950, 960, 970, 975. And y'all, I was actually doing some research and I found this fly killer that you're supposed to use, but people say it smells horrible. So I'm just unsure about putting it in the house. I don't know what it is about this year, but here in Texas, the flies have been so bad and I hate them. As you can see, he's zooming around back here, irking my last nerves. Ugh. So gross. Okay, so to new whip, we're going to be adding $200. And I'm actually, I had some different 1K slips. I don't like the feel of the laminated ones. I don't care for it. Okay, so 200 we're adding here. Again, y'all, bear with me with this video. ADHD is cutting up today. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 650, 670, 675. So we have $4,675 in new whip. And I've just become really lax with this fund because I'm so content and I know towards the end of the year that I'm going to find what I need when I need it. So I'm just stuffing as I can. So to emergency fund, we're going to be adding 25. And again, I just really want this fund to be able to cover me for 6 months in case anything crazy happens. I want this fund to be able to cover me for 6 months, so we're just going to keep building until we reach that number, which is probably close to 10 grand. So 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 420, 425, 426. So $1,426 in emergency. Next up, we have our medical fund, to which we'll be adding $25. And I am working on some health insurance right now, so I'm not sure how much that's going to cost me or how that will work. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 520, 530, 535, 540. I just LLC'd my business, so, you know, have to get all that paperwork and tax stuff done first, and then I can put all my time into insurance. So to family time, I'm going to be adding $25 as well. So we are back to $75 here. And that concludes this binder, which is, I'm loving this one. Like, I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. It's one of my faves so far. And then next up is our peekaboo envelopes. So up first in here, we have our miscellaneous fund, to which we will be adding $25. I have a lot of 25s this week. So 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. So we have $100 in our miscellaneous. Our travel fund will be receiving a $50 bill. So our new total in here is 1,000, 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 780, 785. So $1,785 in travel. Okay, next up is Jasmine's Essentials, and to this fund we'll also be adding $25. So we now have 100, 200, 3, 320, 340, 360, 365. So we now have $365 in here. Our gifts fund, we are going to be adding $30 to this fund. So I'm gonna grab a 20 and a 10. And this 30 is going to go to Lizzie. Her birthday is up next, so we're gonna put that $30 in her little divider. And again, if you're wondering where I got these from, I got these from OhmyfroBudgets. She also makes 100 envelope challenges. They're really cute. They don't look like mine, but hers are super cute. If you're interested. And she's also very sweet. Love her. So Christmas will be getting $30. So a 20. There goes the fly. I know y'all see him, y'all. I'm trying to hold my composure because y'all be talking about me, so I'ma chill. Christmas is getting 100, 200, 3, 4, 420, 440, 450, 460, 465. So we're at 465 for Christmas, which is really good. considering that it's August and we already have $1,000 in gift cards put away. So Rico's getting 10. I am getting ready to upgrade his cage. He's just outgrown the one he's in, and it's gonna cost me, once I get all the stuff that goes in it, about $300. So we're gonna bulk him up. 100, 150, 170, 190, 200. So hopefully we can get that done by the end of this month, because my baby needs a new cage. Insurance, which is car insurance for the car I plan to be purchasing in the near future, will be receiving $15. So we have 100, 120, 140, 150, 155. So $155. Okay. All right, so up next we have car maintenance. Okay, so to car maintenance we'll be adding $5. So we have 100, 10, 15, so $115 there. Righty. And our Boobies fund, which is for our breast reduction, we're going to be adding $50 to this one. So 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420. This envelope is coming along. Bills will be receiving $150. And our last one here is household, and this one will be receiving 20 and 5. Okay. And so that's it. Oh, let me tell you what's in here. Dang. 50, 70, 80, 85. So we have $85 in our household fund. Okay. So that's it for our sinking funds. And now looking at my money, I realized that I have not stuffed my wallet. So to our wallet, we are going to add in $20 for gas. And y'all, ain't my little flower lady so cute? Got some snacks on them. But everything in here I made myself. I'm gonna show you a video because this is the old stuff. I haven't put the new stuff in. So you'll see in the unboxing video all the cool, cute stuff I made for this. So shopping won't be getting anything this week because that's a whole nother story y'all will see in my expense tracker. I've done entirely too much this month. So it won't be receiving anything. Neither will eating out. I'm trying to get my health on track, so I'm going to force myself to cook. So groceries will be receiving $75 for this week. Okay. And laundry will be receiving our last 20 here. And that's it for our wallet and our cash envelopes. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate your orders. I appreciate your comments on Instagram. You guys telling me how much I have helped you get started on your journey. I read them all and it really touches me. This journey has helped me just as much as it's helping you, and it continues to do so. Just stay encouraged, y'all. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, and this money, I'm just going to move it over to my savings challenge video, and I will use it then, if you're wondering. I'm just trying to keep all the savings challenge stuff there, and that's where this money is going. Okay, ta-ta.